the guy that owned the Road King before I bought it. We randomly met here in Pirna. So welcome back to my channel, WinterMotors. My name is Sean Winter, your friendly neighborhood outlaw. Today we're on a little trip in Sächsische Schweiz, which is a little mountainous area on the border from Germany to Czech Republic, and where I bought and picked up this very motorcycle here. We got 4 bikes and 1 car at the moment. Adami has this thing, well now he just switched, but he always leaves his indicators on. Königstein, or directly translated to English, Kingstone. And here we are, back in the Road King's hometown, Bad Schandau. So we left Adami behind on the parking lot to talk to his friend, because he wanted to stand there and talk away and whatever other things he wanted to do. But we didn't come here to watch Adami talk to friends. We came here to ride. So we're going now to Castle, I believe Matt said, where he said the magic word. And do you know what that is? Beer! We're gonna enjoy this amazing scenery. Hopefully get off this fucking railroad track. I've been there a few times. I picked the bike up here, bought it here, but I haven't explored it properly. And finally I can. It's fucking amazing here. So beautiful. Beautiful roads. 1.5 hours on the Autobahn has now made itself worth it. We rode to Bad Schandau, that was nice, but at Bad Schandau, that's where the fun started. And now we're here, these beautiful roads. Oh man, Adami, you're missing out on this beautiful roads. Look at this. What the hell, where did this come from? Did someone just, it feels like someone just like opened the German fairy tale and just like read it and was like, okay, let's build a town that looks exactly like that, and just plopped it right here. And Maltz, hey, look who's here. You dirty hobo! What are you doing here? Did you get the blowjob you so very needed? Oh, that's why you look so grumpy. Yeah. I was told it was gonna be beer, but all I got was this ice cream. You know, fight cold with cold, they say. Gonna give it a try. Wow. Suck it. Oh yeah.
For me it's quite a cold with cakes.
Mara fights everything with cake. Even cake with cake. Unfortunately, the castle up here is closed. But we had a nice ice cream and yeah, that's about it. So now we're gonna keep going to a different place. And now we also picked up the Adami, so now he can enjoy the roads with us. But he did miss out on some really nice roads, but I do assume there's gonna be just as good roads around here for the next leg. just now tricked me to go on a nature walk. I think she had pre-planned this with Anna to get me to go on a nature walk. She knows I love it so much.
It's ridiculous. Came here to drive.
I don't think my Road King would do very well in this terrain though, but you know, I will give it a try.
It would be fun. Like.
Mara, this is pavement. I could have driven here. You made me walk through a forest for nothing.
I did not make you walk.
Anna, this is pavement. I could have driven here. You made me walk through a forest for nothing.
That is a camera?
Yeah.
I gotta do it now.
Do a backflip! Wow.
Nature.
What's that then?
I've seen bigger. So Mara, I just want to have a little flashback to when we were on our road trip and you were the world's best travel guide.
Oh.
So what is this place that we see here behind you?
I don't know.
Do you know when it was built?
When it was built? Well, it was built 50 years after Jesus was born. No.
Who was the architect of this place?
Judas.
Okay, so this is a monument to his betrayal?
Yeah, maybe.
Is it worth coming here?
No.
No.
You have to look that way.
Okay. So Mara, Bastei, when was that built?
We're not even here yet.
We're not?
This isn't Bastei.
Ah, okay, this view then, when was it built? Is this Bastei, Mara?
Over there is Bastei, yes.
Who built it?
I don't know who built it, but it's gone.
Is it? Then why are we looking at something that's gone?
Because it's still pretty.
So I'm guessing it's not worth it, or?
I don't know. If you.
I mean, it's not there.
It's not there, so it's not worth it, but the bridge is worth it.
Yeah, true. And now that we've walked our fucking asses off, looked at beautiful views, we need to go and get food and beer. So we're heading out in the direction of Meissen. We had some food at an Italian restaurant. Everybody seems to be happy. And now we are heading back to Leipzig.
The big L.
The big L town. So I think this is a good place to end today's episode. Did you like Sächsische Schweiz, Adami?
Oh yeah, it was perfect.
Yeah.
Like also the ride out with the group, like how we entered the day and how it all evolved and going through places together.
Yeah,
Fucking amazing.
it worked out really well, and I'm looking forward to the next one. But anyway, thanks for watching another video here at WinterMotors. My name is Sean Winter, and that's Indicator Adami, your friendly neighborhood outlaw. What are you laughing about? But don't forget to like, subscribe, and all the good stuff. And bye bye.